All right, today's video, we're almost there. I'm installing a catch can that I bought. I will be mounting it right there somewhere and running the, I think I'm gonna run this way to there. So, or let's see how it goes, but stay tuned. All right, so first I installed the bleeder on it. Now I'm gonna install the filter. All right, so I got it together. Comes pretty much almost assembled. They just gotta pop the filter on and that little bleeder. Make sure you know. So what I'm doing, I marked up, you see the little dot right there next to that cable. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna drill a hole there. Drill a hole there and mount it like this. So it's gonna look like that, and then I'm gonna run the lines. All right, she's installed. One bolt there, and then I zip tie the other one over here to the car body, and now it doesn't move. So that's the only way I can mount it without drilling too much holes and thinking about it too much. So sometimes it's easier to do that. It looks pretty fresh. So all right, next we're gonna make some AN fitting hoses and stuff. So let me show you what we got. We got a couple straight ones, we got a couple 90s, and we got a couple like 45s. And I think I'm gonna use the 45s and the 90s, so let's check it out. All right, so I'm gonna use some 90s there. It does clear the hood. And I'm gonna use some 45s on this side going down this way. I'm gonna go underneath here, come up and go up to there. So that's what I'm gonna do. So all right, so we got one down. So that's how it's gonna look. Go up to there. Now I'm making the second one. So you see these AF fittings, you just gotta be very, very careful. When you cut it, make sure you put tape on the end. And then when you put this in, it's reverse thread, so it'll go the other way. And then put some WD-40 when you put this part in. All right, so there you have it. She's installed. Ran this way. I think it looks pretty decent. Comment below, see what you guys think. Thank you for watching. I know this was a short video, but peace. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, notifications, all that to get updates on this beauty. She's gonna be a bad girl. Love it.